Hello dear friends, I am Balaji, your English teacher. Hope you all are fine, doing well. My dear learners, today's topic is very interesting. As I always say that my videos are always on out of the box knowledge, correct? So today's topic is adjectives beyond comparisons. We all studied in school that there are 9 types of adjectives. Adjective is one of the parts of speech like noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, etc., etc. Right? It is one of the parts of speech, and adjectives are the words which are used to modify nouns and pronouns in sentences. Adjectives are modifying words. They are used to give more information, extra information, additional information about nouns and pronouns in sentences. We learned all this in school. But today's topic is something different because in this topic I am going to give you something which is rarely discussed in school, right? That is adjectives beyond comparison. Actually, adjectives have 3 types of degrees. They are studied at 3 different levels: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degrees. Tom is a tall boy, and again we can say John is taller than Tom, and again we can say Harry is the tallest boy in the class, right? So the adjective tall has a different degrees. It exists in different degrees, but there are some adjectives they exist only in 1 degree and not more than 1 degrees, right? So they cannot be studied, or they cannot have comparative degree and superlative degree, right? For example, look at the word full, right? Something is always full, but we cannot say less full or more full, right? It exists only in 1 degree. Look at the word fatal. The accident was fatal. We cannot say the first accident was less fatal than the second accident. We cannot say, because the consequences are the same, right? Again, mortal. Man is a mortal animal. We cannot say man is less mortal than elephant, or elephant is more mortal than humans. We cannot say like that. Mortal, it is just mortal, and it exists only in 1 degree, not more than 1 degree. Again, complete. Look at the adjective complete. We say the work is complete, either complete or incomplete. They exist only in 1 degree and not in 2 degrees or 3 degrees, right? We cannot say less complete or more complete, right? Again, look at the word adjective word straight. We can say the road is straight. We cannot say the road is less straight or more straight or little straight, right? Straight, it is straight. Final, we say the work is final. Again, look at the words like wrong. Adjective wrong. We can say the answer is wrong. We cannot say the answer is less wrong or more wrong, right? The answer is only wrong. Again, right. The answer is right. The answer is again only right. It can exist only in 1 degree, right? Either right or wrong. But we cannot say less right or more right, or less wrong or more wrong. Again, look at the word supreme. Again, we cannot say less supreme or more supreme. The thing is, the thing or the object can have only 1 degree, supreme, not less supreme or more supreme. Again, look at the word unique, right? Something is unique, right? We cannot say less unique or more unique. Look at the word dead. Again, we cannot say less dead or more dead, or alive. Look at the word alive. Less alive and more alive. We cannot say, because they exist only in 1 degree, not more than that. Look at the word perpendicular, right? All lines, for example, how can 1 line be more perpendicular or less perpendicular than another line, right? Line is either perpendicular only perpendicular. It can be only perpendicular. It cannot be more perpendicular or less perpendicular. Correct. Look at the word empty. We can say the pot is empty. We cannot say the pot is less empty or more empty or half empty. It is just empty, right? Look at the word universal. We can say this is universal truth. We cannot say this is less universal or more universal. Correct. So in English there are some adjectives. They exist only in 1 degree and not more than 1 degree. So we cannot make comparative and superlative of these degrees. As we make, for example, Tom is a tall boy. A tall boy. This is positive degree, tall, and we can make the comparative of this. Tom is taller than John. This is comparative degree. Again, superlative degree will be Tom is the tallest boy of all. In this way, this is superlative degree, this is positive degree, and this is comparative degree. But we cannot make comparative and superlative of all these adjectives, because these are the adjectives, or this is the partial list of adjectives which are beyond comparison, right? They exist only in 1 degree, one degree and not more than 1 degree. Hope you understood these adjectives beyond comparison, right? Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day ahead. Have a knowledgeable day ahead. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.